Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, June 25th, 2014. U.S. stock market is closed. You know, yesterday I said markets go up and down. I wasn't the first one to say that, but it is a truism. Markets do go up and down, and yesterday they really went down bad. Over 100 points down on the Dow, and we really had a rotten day. Closing out, I think, about 10,000 and carrying a negative 11,000 into today. Now, one of the frustrating things about carrying a negative equity like that is that it seems like no matter what happens, those negative trades seldom get better. Once in a while, there's an exception that, generally speaking, bad trades just don't get better in the second day. And today, the rule held. We had negative $10,000 in open trade equity yesterday on the close. We finally closed those out today. Basically, $10,000 negative closed out. So it didn't help that the Dow reversed itself today and actually went up 49 points today. Gaining back about half of what it lost yesterday. That didn't help us with those bad positions. We ended up closing out basically what we were carrying negative yesterday. However, we started getting into some new stuff today, and wow, it was fantastic. And we are carrying positive over $17,000 going into tomorrow. So hey, if we can just close that $17,000 out, and I think we'll do a lot better than that personally. I think that will grow tomorrow. But even if we closed out that $17,000, we've basically made up the bad trading that we experienced for the last couple of days. So I'm really happy. I mean, we just had a couple fantastic trades, and one of those was actually carrying from yesterday, but we got into the third day on it. Anyway, I'll show you the charts on that. Anyway, Dow gains 49 points. We're carrying $17,000 positive. Let's take a look at the charts. Okay, here we're looking at the Dow, and again, as I pointed out yesterday, it bumped up against Robert's red line yesterday, and as soon as it bumped there, it really crashed down over 100 points, but it did bounce today. And a market that bounces after only one day, it seems to me that this is a market that doesn't really want to go down. There's no real weakness into this. It's not saying it couldn't go down tomorrow, but this looks pretty good. Dow made almost 50 points today, and we had some really good action in our individual stocks, so I'm very pleased with this action. Let me show you just a couple of the absolutely fantastic trades we had today. This first one is an MEG, Best Media General, and we had bought this yesterday. This was about the only, everything else just stayed about as bad as it was. This one, after we bought it yesterday, it didn't do anything. It actually closed a little bit negative. But look at this explosion today. And of course, because of that explosion, we're holding it into at least the third day. But we're holding over $5,500 in Media General. So that really is good, and there was no weakening in this market at all. It could definitely go up more tomorrow. Very happy with that. And then this was a surprise market. This is an NXST, that's Nexstar, and I just don't know what was going on here, but we had to jump into this right at 10 a.m. Eastern time this morning. Got into this right out of the gate, and it just exploded. And it's pulled back here some, but even with the pullback, we have like $7,000 in this thing, and it was pretty close. I'm sure up here is up to 9,000. So this is just a great trade, and hopefully this thing will continue on and maybe take out those highs yesterday. That would be, or I'm sorry, the highs today. Take that out. That would be just fantastic. And two great trades in Media General and Nexstar. And hey, as I say, $17,000 going into tomorrow. That's pretty good. Anyway, good day today. Good reversal. Getting back our losses right away. Really appreciate that. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Thursday.